Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Path Discussion Series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss about the career path of an IoT security engineer. How can an IoT security engineer stay ahead of constantly evolving threats to ensure the protection of billions of connected devices while balancing security with the need for seamless user experience and device functionality? IoT security engineers are crucial in safeguarding the growing number of connected devices, with an estimated 75 billion IoT devices expected to be in use by 2025. They play a critical role in preventing cyber attacks that could compromise not only devices uh, that could compromise not only devices but entire networks and critical infrastructure. So we will be covering introduction, who is an IoT security engineer, essential skills and certifications, career opportunities and growth, conclusion and call to action. Introduction. The Internet of Things is transforming industries by connecting everyday devices to the Internet, enabling automation, data exchange, and more efficient operations. However, with the rise of IoT devices comes the significant challenge of ensuring they are secure from cyber threats. IoT security engineers play a crucial role in safeguarding these devices, networks, and the data they handle. As IoT devices continue to proliferate in industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation, the need for professionals who can address the unique security challenges of IoT is growing. If you are passionate about cybersecurity and technology, then becoming an IoT security engineer could be an exciting and rewarding career choice. Then, who is an IoT engineer? An IoT security engineer is a cybersecurity expert focused on ensuring the safety and integrity of IoT devices, networks, and systems. They are responsible for identifying vulnerabilities, designing secure systems, and implementing security measures to protect connected devices from cyber attacks. IoT security engineers work to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and attacks such as distributed denial of service, ensuring that IoT systems remain safe and functional. Their role extends beyond securing the devices. It also involves securing the networks these devices connect to and the data transmitted between them. IoT security engineers must address the unique challenges of a rapidly expanding IoT ecosystem, where devices often have limited resources and may be deployed in decentralized environments. What are the core skills of an IoT security engineer? To be successful as an IoT security engineer, you will need a combination of both technical skills, cybersecurity expertise, and problem solving abilities. The key skills include IoT and embedded systems knowledge, understanding the architecture, hardware, and software of IoT devices, including how they interact with each other and communicate over networks. Cybersecurity fundamentals. Expertise in traditional cybersecurity principles such as encryption, firewalls, intrusion detection, and network security. Knowledge of common IoT specific security vulnerabilities, including issues related to weak passwords, insecure firmware, and outdated software. Cryptography. Proficiency in cryptographic techniques to secure data, both in transit and at rest. Familiarity with standards like AES, RSA, and public-private key encryption is critical. Secure communication protocols. Knowledge of secure communication protocols like TLS, IPsec, HTTPS, used to protect data exchanges between IoT devices and backend systems. Network security. Strong understanding of network security techniques such as firewalls, VPNs, and network intrusion detection systems. Ability to assess network traffic for signs of malicious activity or vulnerabilities. Penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. Ability to conduct penetration tests and vulnerability scans to assess the security of IoT devices and systems. Familiarity with tools like Wireshark, Metasploit, and Nessus to perform security audits. Knowledge of secure firmware design and implementation, including techniques for ensuring secure updates and preventing exploitation of vulnerabilities. Familiarity with IoT-specific security standards, including NIST and OWASP. Understanding of regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS as they pertain to IoT devices. Experience securing cloud environments where many IoT systems are deployed, including securing APIs and cloud-based data storage. What are the career opportunities and growth? So, career opportunities and growth. What are the entry level positions? As IoT adoption continues to grow, the demand for IoT security engineers is also increasing. So, some career growth opportunities include senior IoT security engineer, take on leadership roles, design enterprise level IoT security solutions, and guide the development of secure IoT products. IoT security architect, design and oversee the security infrastructure for large IoT systems, ensuring all devices and communications are secure. Cyber security consultant or IoT for IoT. They provide consulting services to organizations looking to secure their IoT environments, helping them identify vulnerabilities and implement solutions. Cloud security engineer specialize in securing cloud-based IoT systems and their data storage solutions. IoT security researcher conduct research to identify emerging IoT security threats and develop new security protocols and tools to mitigate them. As industries across the globe adopt IoT technologies, the role of IoT security engineer will continue to be critical, and opportunities for career advancement and specialization are abundant. What are the starting salaries for IoT security engineers? Salaries for IoT security engineers can vary depending on experience, location, and the size of the organization. An approximate breakdown is for entry level engineers, it's $70,000 to $90,000 per year. For mid level engineers, it is $90,000 to $120,000 per year. For senior level engineers, it is $120,000 to $160,000 per year. So, IoT security engineers with expertise in high demand industries or advanced security skills can earn higher salaries. Additionally, those in tech hubs such as Silicon Valley or New York may earn more due to the high cost of living and demand for cybersecurity talent. Conclusion and call to action. So, IoT security engineers have a lot of roles and responsibilities like designing and implementing security solutions, developing security architectures for IoT devices and networks, implementing encryption, authentication, and access control mechanisms to protect devices and data, identifying vulnerabilities, conduct security assessments and penetration testing to identify potential vulnerabilities in IoT devices and networks, analyzing the security risks associated with new IoT devices or technologies. So, to get started as an IoT security engineer, learn the fundamentals of cybersecurity. Begin by understanding basic cybersecurity concepts such as encryption, network security, and access control. Study security vulnerabilities that are common in IoT devices, such as weak default passwords and unsecured communication protocols. Gain knowledge of IoT architecture. Learn how IoT systems are designed, including the interaction between devices, sensors, and cloud services. Familiarize yourself with embedded systems and the limitations of IoT devices, such as processing power and memory. Develop programming skills. Learn programming languages commonly used in IoT development, such as C, C++, Python, and JavaScript. Knowledge of Linux and RTOS will be helpful in embedded systems. Set up your own IoT projects to experiment with device security. You can work with platforms like Raspberry Pi, Arduino to understand the technical details of IoT devices. Follow the latest trends in IoT security and attend cybersecurity conferences or workshops. Showcase your knowledge by building a portfolio that includes IoT security audits, device penetration tests, or IoT security tools you have developed. Document your work on GitHub or your personal websites. So the IoT revolution is here, and with it comes a growing need for professionals to secure these systems. IoT security engineers play a vital role in ensuring that connected devices remain safe from cyber attacks. With the right mix of technical knowledge, cybersecurity skills, and hands on experience, you can embark on a rewarding career in this rapidly evolving field. So, ready to protect next generation of connected devices? Then start learning the fundamentals of cybersecurity and IoT architecture. Gain practical experience with IoT devices and stay informed about the latest security trends. The future of IoT security is bright, and there is no better time to join this exciting field. Thank you.